it's Bridget A. from Drunk Dog Creative, and I got a wonderful surprise in the mail today. So starting in September, we have the new Stampin' Up! Mini Catalog coming out. But those of us who are demonstrators get access to it a little early. And I had the PDF last week, but yesterday was the first day we could order from it. So today in the mail, I got the catalog. And I can only show you the front cover right now. I'm not allowed to post anything from the inside of it. But this catalog is full of so much goodness. You are going to love it. And the items in it are only available from September to December. So it's a lot of holiday themed things, but also some things you can use all year round. And it's awesome. Now, I have 8 copies of this. If you want a copy of it, send me an email right now to Bridget A, BRIDGETA, at drunkdogcreative.com. If you send that to me with your mailing address, you have to be in Australia, send it to me with your mailing address and I will send you one of the mini catalogs. I have 8 right now, so the first 8 get them. This is very exciting and I wish I could show you more, but I can't, just the cover. That said, there is more. Yesterday was the first day demonstrators could put an order in to pre-order items that are available to all of you in September. So yesterday morning, on a very long commute to work, I did an order. And the other big surprise I got today is that my order arrived today. It comes from Sydney, so Stampin' Up! Is worldwide. But in Australia, we have an Australian warehouse. So your orders are in Australian dollars and it gets delivered from Australia. I'm in Victoria and I got it today. And I am allowed to show you what I ordered. So I'm gonna do a little bit of an unboxing. So one of the things I ordered is this beautiful, very cute stamp set, which has the polar bears, which I suppose if you do in a different color, could be other sorts of bears. And it has a matching punch. Oh, yep, there's the mirror. It has a matching punch to do the bear from the stamp set. I have grandkids. I could not resist getting this for Christmas, but I can also see using it at other times of year with brown bears and black bears and grizzly bears. That'll be really fun. I also have a lot of friends and family who are Christians who celebrate Christmas as a religious holiday. I mean, I do too, but you know. So I've also got this beautiful stamp set that's called Night Divine. And I know that light is shining off of it, I'm sorry, but it's night and dark here, so I need the light. It's all these beautiful large format stamps that have, joy and peace, the Lord is my shepherd, glory to God in the highest, all of those wonderful Christmas sayings that you would use for church. And I just think that's really special. Then I got some really interesting goodies. So I've got some ribbons. So this is a set of 2. It's a copper ribbon and a natural ribbon. So what beautiful accents are those gonna make on things? So there's like a natural linen wide ribbon and this metallic copper thinner ribbon. I think that's really cool. And you'll see why in a minute, because one of the specialty designer papers, so only available from this catalog, is this set, which has the copper in it. And this would be great for Thanksgiving because, you know, I live in Australia, but like I've said, I'm American originally. So I have a lot of friends and family in America that I do Thanksgiving cards for. So I've now bought this paper to do some of that, but it can be used for anything all year round. How gorgeous is this? All with copper metallic accents on it. Just stunning. And that will go so beautifully with the 2 ribbons. So excited for that. So that designer series paper is called, let me look it up. It is called Oxidized Copper Specialty Designer Series paper. It's 12 inch by 12 inch, and it's got that gorgeous metallic copper through it. So it also coordinates with Pretty Peacock. So that tealy color with the copper is one of the new colors that we released this year called Pretty Peacock. So it'll coordinate with that. And then 2 other ribbons that I got are this really beautiful, I'm trying to find the proper name for it, iridescent ribbon. So it's white, but it's like iridescent as the light hits it different ways. The camera is not doing justice to how beautiful this is. It is so sparkly. And then there is the glittered ribbon, which is Night of Navy with gold. And again, I'm sorry about that light, but you can see it's Night of Navy and gold flecked ribbon. They're beautiful. And guess what? They also coordinate with the designer, specialty designer series paper, which is this one. And this one is called Shining Brightly. It's 12 inch by 12 inch, and it coordinates with Night of Navy and Very Vanilla. And it seems that this Christmas, the blues are the hot color, not the reds and the greens, but the blues, the navy blues, the misty moonlight, the icy blues. So this paper has a few different designs with the gold foil. So they're one-sided. So there's the Night of Navy with the gold. There's this other design that's also Night of Navy and gold. And I love the Starry Sky with Night of Navy and gold. And then I've got similar designs in the Very Vanilla and gold. So instead of it being white and gold, it's very vanilla. And that's just going to make some beautiful cards. I'm going to try to make some this weekend and post some tutorials using some of these products this weekend. I've created 2 new fun folds. I've engineered them over the last couple of weeks, and I'm really excited to release them. So have a look probably Sunday, maybe Monday, depending on how the weekend goes for that. And the last thing I'm going to show off is some embellishments I got. So the first one is the Faceted Gems Trio Pack. And just wait till you get a look at this. I got to unwrap it because some of it's hidden behind the thing it comes in. So if I lift the flap, have a look at this. Isn't that going to look just beautiful with some sort of snowy, shimmery scenes? That is just stunning. They are so sparkly and pretty. And the other one is called Adhesive Back Star Trinkets. And these are little gold stars in different sizes that are adhesive. And you can just imagine how that's going to look with the navy and gold paper. So I am so excited to make some cards with this stuff this weekend and put a couple of tutorials out there over the next couple weeks of some great fun folds that you can use for Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, or really any occasion, depending on what colors you use, what papers you use, and what stamps you use. And this is one of the things I love about Stampin' Up! Is even when they come out with seasonal products, often there will be stamps in there that help in the set that are usable for all year round, not just for that season. And that's really cool. So the fun folds that I create are often that way too, that they change by what papers you use and colors you use, and you can learn the basic thing and then use it for anything all year round. But I think this Christmas card making season is going to be absolutely fantastic because this mini catalog is one I'm really excited about. So drop me an email with your mailing address if you're in Australia. I can't send them outside of Australia. I've got 8 on hand, then I am happy to post out. So Bridget A at drunkdogcreative.com if you want one of the mini catalogs, or go to the website, drunkdogcreative.com, and subscribe to either the website or the newsletter. And through that, I can make sure to have your details to send you the mini catalog. All right, thank you all for watching. And look out this weekend for some new tutorials on the blog and on YouTube. Have fun. Happy inking, happy crafting. Hi everyone, I'm just back for a minute to say thank you for all your support on the blog and on YouTube and on socials. If you like what I'm doing and you're enjoying the tutorials, make sure that you like and subscribe to all the different places that I post stuff, because the video tutorials go to YouTube, but other tutorials also go to the blog that don't necessarily have videos, and I'm always posting crazy ideas to Instagram and Facebook, often cards I've made that you don't need a tutorial to make, but you might want to get inspiration from. So sign up to Instagram, Facebook, drunkdogcreative.com, the blog, and YouTube. And for those of you who love my crochet stuff, I'm also on Ravelry. So make sure you sign up to all the different places where I've got stuff so you never miss what could be your next great idea. Happy crafting!